Hello everyone, today we're gonna be washing off this shed so we can get it ready for paint. We're not gonna be using a pressure washer, we're gonna be using some basic cleaning materials and a garden hose. This is the solution for you if you're looking to paint your shed later on or you just want to clean it up to look nice.
The reason I will not pressure wash a shed is because wood is porous. And when you use a pressure washer, it actually opens up the pores of the wood to the environment, making it easier to grow mold and algae. You can see an example of this on this fence post that I pressure washed it. The right side is fuzzy and you see the fibers being exposed compared to the left side where we did not wash.
And what I suggest is that you use bleach, just normal bleach. Bleach does wonders against mold and algae. And if you may see some of these at your local hardware store called 30-second cleaner, they do a decent job. The problem is they're pre-diluted, which means there's water inside. So you're kind of paying for water on a big gallon like this.
This product has a 1:1 mix ratio, which means on your pump sprayer, you add halfway through with this product and the other half you filled up with water. And you get the same result if you purchase a concentrated bleach. The goal here is to get to a 2.5% mix ratio. And we're gonna test that out on the side wall, which is the dirtiest. Half for the wall, we're gonna use 30-second cleaner, the right side. And then the other half, we use concentrated bleach. You can clearly see the results right at the beginning as I start spraying the wall. I then wait for about 2 minutes and using a garden hose sprayer, I rinse off the bleach. On a single application, you can see the results. However, if you like, you can do a second application and get even better results. And on the left side of this wall, I apply the concentrated bleach. Then I rinse it off just like the right side. You can do this soft wash process pretty much anywhere on your shed, including your roof. However, if you're planning to wash the roof, I recommend you increase the bleach to twice as much, so like a 5% ratio. But if you don't have a shed and you are planning on building one, check the description below or visit everydayshed.com where you can find plans, material lists, and videos to help you build your own shed.
This is a very simple approach that you can apply anywhere, from your garage to your house and even on a fence. And to show you that brand doesn't matter, you can see that the difference between the two applications was very minimal. Just make sure that when you purchase bleach that you dilute to a 2.5%. If you go any higher, you may hurt the vegetation around. And if that does happen, just make sure to overspray with water to rinse off the bleach.
When I do this, I try bleaching from the bottom up and rinsing from the top down. Generally, that's the best practice recommended by many people. But you get the idea. Just make sure you have a good coat of bleach eating up the algae in your shed, and when you rinse it off, you may have to rinse it once or twice.
If you like this video and you want to see the complete transformation of this shed into a backyard office, check it out right here. But first, we have to swap out these windows to a 2-pane glass window to get started. And that's right here. And I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.